everyone. Welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. In our previous videos, we've discussed the various aspects of social media like engagement, the different platforms, what best works for you. In this video today, we are going to discuss something critical for success on social media: setting goals. Having clear goals can significantly enhance your social media experience. Whether you're using social media for personal reasons or for professional purposes. So let's dive into the different types of goals that you want to set. First, let's differentiate between personal and professional goals. For personal goals, you might focus on connecting with friends and loved ones, sharing life updates, and discovering new interests. For instance, if you want to stay in touch with relatives who live far away, like mine do, then your goal might be to post regularly and share your content regularly, or engage with their content and participate in all the family events that's online. On the professional side, goals may be more about branding, networking, and sales. Common professional goals include, number one, brand awareness. If you're promoting a business or a personal brand, then your goal might be to increase awareness around your target audience. This is where you can measure this engagement with metrics like likes, shares, and comments that we discussed about before. Number two, networking. Building connections within your industry can be another vital goal. You might aim to connect with a specific number of industry professionals each month, or maybe join relevant online forums. Number three, sales. If you're using social media to drive sales, then your goal could be to increase traffic to your online store or maybe to your website. This can be tracked through referral links or conversion rates from your social media efforts. By identifying whether your goals are personal or professional, you can tailor your approach to social media accordingly. Alrighty, now that we've established the types of goals, let's talk about why these goals are so important. Having clear goals serves as a roadmap for your social media strategy. It guides your content creation, helping you determine what to post and how to engage with your audience. For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness, then you might focus on creating visually appealing content and engaging with your followers regularly. Moreover, goal setting helps you measure your success. By tracking your progress against your goals, you can identify what's working and what isn't. This allows you to make informed adjustments to your strategies, optimizing your efforts for better results. So in summary, whether your goals are personal or professional, setting clear objectives is essential for effective social media use. It not only helps you create relevant content, but allows you to measure your success and adjust your strategies as needed. In our next tutorial, we're going to discuss privacy settings and safety on various platforms of social media, very important, and how that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, my friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. That's me. Thank you for watching, my friends. Until next time, keep Keep learning and practice, practice, practice. Have a wonderful day, my friends. I hope to see you soon. Bye.